Hey everybody, how's it going? It's your favorite YouTuber with a sponsorship video.
Here we go. Money talk.
That's right. This video is brought to you by Foam Factory, aka foambymail.com. This is my first ever sponsorship video, and I would like to thank them for making this all possible. So I actually reached out to these people because I wanted, soundproof foam, because I had a little bit of an issue in my house. When I would talk in my room, especially on stream, it would sound like this.
Mr. Tubby 200, you are fucking trash, dude.
Hey, dude,
you're a fucking
you're an asshole, bro. No, I'm coming in here. You invited me to play this game. You know what, dude? You can stop. No, take my dick. Take my dick. Shove it down your throat. And choke on it, bro. Choke on it. I will murder your family. I will murder them. I will kill them all.
Fucking loser piece of shit.
Yeah, that's not very acceptable. So I reached out to a couple people. I said, hey, I'm a YouTuber. I have about 3,000 subscribers. Is there any way you can cut me a deal? This guy actually got back to me. He was super nice. I said I would be making a video about the foam if he did it. He did do it. Sent me some foam, and I don't want to we didn't really go over if I could say how much, but they're not paying me any money. He just gave me a discount on the order. I won't say how much exactly. You can come into my Twitch stream, and if you're not already following me on Twitch, you're missing amazing moments like this.
Dab 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 if you like underage girls.
Oh God, no. But you are more than welcome to stop into my Twitch stream and I will tell you all about the deal and what it entailed. Let's go into what this took. I actually just looked at some how-to videos, and basically I had to buy plasterboard, get some of the foam, unroll it. When I originally got the foam, it took 24 hours to actually open and leave out so it could all inflate. Hey Carmelo, I want to come down to the basement to help me soundproof the room so nobody can hear you scream.
What?
What? Just real quick, just why. People pay good money for this.
Ooh. Oh, I hear it.
You can hear it fill up there. So as of right now, with everything opened, every YouTube video I've ever seen of these, they let them air out for 24 hours to go to Walmart anyway and buy some supplies. So I'm going to take care of this tomorrow and start setting stuff up. So until then. Not to cut myself.
Cut yourself accidentally for the content.
Dude, I was just, as soon as you said that, I was just thinking that. These are actually pretty cool. So these work by Velcroing them together. It's like extreme Velcro, I guess is the best way to describe it. So now that it's Velcroed all the way through, you peel off one side. Dude, no, fucking, I don't want to hear more voice talk to text. And as you can all see, the end result, look at it, baby. Look at all this foam all around. It, like, really, it does sound so amazing. It sounds absolutely great. I would like to thank Foam Factory for making this video. Link down in the description, and giving me a discount on this acoustic foam to make my room sound so much better. And more importantly, I would like to thank you for smashing that subscribe button and hitting those likes. And I hope to see you all very, very soon.